Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. So once again, Dogecoin is back up in the market and the people are investing in a Dogecoin. So let me show you guys that is the future of the Dogecoin is bright or not. Now guys, before starting this video, click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. The currently live price of the Dogecoin in the market is 0.302694 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Dogecoin in the market. And furthermore guys, the change of the baby Dogecoin is going negative. Only guys, the latest situation is going wrong. You can see the previous changes of the baby Dogecoin is positive 17.57% positive, and last 1 hour, last 1 day, changes of the Dogecoin is negative. Furthermore, if you look here, you can see here absolutely a massive jump occur by Dogecoin, and the latest situation the price decrease. But don't worry guys, everything will be okay. You have to just wait, you have to just patience. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.